We are going to be installing these, and you probably can't see them very well, but they are going to go and upgrade these guys, your puddle lights, which don't puddle very well because the ones that come OEM, they're respectable, but they're not very great. Check these out. They're from Teal Oil. I'll have a discount code in the description below, which makes them super cheap. You can go pick yours up today. Not only are they brighter, but they also make the Tesla logo when you open the doors, and you get 4 of them. So let's go and upgrade them. All you're going to need is these, your Tesla, and a pick, pry tool, or screwdriver. In front of the light, there's a little lip where you can actually shove a pry tool in and try to pull it off. It'll come out just like that. So after doing that, you find that little tab, press this pin, and then simply pull it out. Obviously, you're gonna have to do this with your door open, but be aware that the window will roll up without these installed. So just be careful with that. Don't close your door, otherwise you're going to mess up the trim right here because the window is all the way up. It's weird how this thing works, but let's get the other one installed. So you're just going to take the new one, find that wire, and plug it in. The window has rolled back down a little bit. You can see it right here. We got an alert and it said manual door released used, but we didn't use that. So I assume the manual door release and the light correlate with each other somehow. We're just going to want to press the wire in and then push this back up. You can already see, look, the Tesla logo shining right there. That's so cool. Make sure you put it in the right way though, otherwise it's gonna be upside down. So I want it like this when we open the door. Let's just feed it in here. You see these tabs, they're gonna hold it secure inside. And then you're just gonna repeat that for all the other doors. This is what the little tab looks like, which you're gonna shove your pry tool in to pull it down. And this is the clip insert.